Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I'm sharing with you another DIY for your home. I am making a spring wreath for my door. I made a wreath for every season, so spring was the only one missing, and I am so excited because it's March and it's supposed to be warm. No, not at all. This is our March. March is the snowiest month out of the whole year. Like, this is, come on. I love snow, but I'm over it. So over it. So you guys, if you want to see what I used, how I make my wreaths, then stay tuned and let's get to it. This is what we would need for this DIY. I usually make all of my wreaths for every season, so these flowers, I bought them at Walmart, so as the wreath. This is a vine wreath, and it is a 18-inch grapevine wreath that I bought at Walmart. Also, these flowers, I bought them at Walmart as well. They were 97 cents each, so as these guys. And I have one more type of flowers. These are these yellow flowers, like droopy flowers. They were 97 cents as well. So I'll be using all of this and hot glue. Let's get to it. So I usually start with flowers and I weave them into my vines, but this time I wanted to do something different because I'm going to be using a lot of flowers, so that's why I'm using hot glue gun for this DIY. So I'm taking my flowers, pinching them together, and I want to take them all off in this bundle over here. I want to glue them together and then glue them on my vine or on my wreath. When you have this bundle, then I am going again with my hot glue, putting glue all over my green and a little bit inside, just to make sure everything is glued together. And I am placing this right in the middle. Keep doing that all around your wreath, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. I have my base done. It looks really cute. I love it. While you're doing this, don't forget to pick up your wreath and look if you missed something or you need to change something and glue in different direction and all of the stuff. So don't forget to pick it up and look at it once in a while. If I look at my wreath, some of the spots on my wreath more fuller than the other parts, like right here, it's a lot more flowers than over here. So I picked more bare side of my wreath and I want to fill in and put more flowers in, but in different color. So I want to take these flowers off and spread them out over my wreath, but mainly focusing on this bare area and then gradually spreading them all over the wreath. And I'm going to be gluing them with my hot glue as well. Alright, so I'm done with my purple flowers. Now I think I want to add some of these yellow just to brighten my wreath up. So I want to pick up my wreath and look from the bottom and from the sides where it's gonna look the best. So let's try this out. This is how I'm planning to hang my wreath. Now I am taking my yellow flowers, and you can actually, cool. And I want to play around with them and insert them in different spaces and different spots to see if I like it. Happy with what I see right now. I might add more yellow maybe around it, we'll see, but let's glue these on with our hot glue and move on. Is what I have for you guys. I am done. So you can add as many yellow or purple flowers as you want. I did add a little bit of foliage over here, like a few spots, just to break it down a little bit, and I am ready to put this on my door. So here you have it. This is my spring wreath. Let me know what you think. If it was inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. If you want to chat with me, go to the comments below and I'll be there to answer your questions and comments. Alrighty guys, I hope you have a good one and I'll see you back very soon. Bye bye.